Hey guys, this is Talia Osborne. I just wanted to take a few minutes and walk you through how to use your eBay selling app or your eBay shopping app. So the way to do this when you're out and about and you're looking for things to sell, it's very simple to look items up. So let's just start with, you can start with anything around your house as well. You want to see how much it's worth, if it's worth your time, if it's worth your investment. So say I'm out and about and I find this Goo Gone bottle. I just press the camera button. It pulls up the screen and it shows the barcode. It scans the barcode for you and then it pulls up items related to that. Now we have all these up and a lot of people make the mistakes of saying, oh, well, it's selling on eBay just because the screen comes up with listings for that product. Well, don't make that mistake. We want to touch the filter button, which will open this page, and then you want to hit sold items, which will also automatically open up the completed items. So you'll click done, and then we can see, okay, so this item sold on March 2nd and February 25th, February 23rd, 21st. So it looks like this item sells pretty often. And so it might be a good investment, but you also need to check the average price. So here it was selling for $6.66. Down here, $9.95 plus shipping. So that's a pretty good price. $5.05 plus $5 shipping. Again, that's about $10. So it really depends on how much you can get it for and how much you can ship it for. If you can fit it into a flat rate envelope, you're looking at about $6, a little bit more than $6 to ship an item. And this is something you're going to want to keep in your wallet or your purse to make sure that you know what the shipping cost is so that you're not misunderstanding how much your profit will actually be, because you have to include shipping. Now, if your item is under a pound, then you will be able to ship it in your own packaging, most likely for somewhere around $3, $3.50, almost $4. So keep that in mind when you're shopping around. And so yeah, this app is very easy to use. You can just scroll through and look. You can click on the item to look for more details to make sure it's the same item that you are interested in selling. And you can scroll through and kind of look at the information that they have provided to make sure that their information is very similar to what yours would be, to make sure that you can sell it for the same price point. All right, so that is the eBay app. Very simple. Again, like I said, be sure to search around your house, find things that you think might be worth money, see if it's worth it. And then when you go out and shop, you'll have a better understanding of this app. Thanks, guys. Hope you learned something. Go out and find some treasure.